I relaxed my hair last week, and this step right here is the difference between strong growing relaxed hair and dry breaking hair. Most people skip protein treatment after relaxing their hair, and that's exactly why their hair starts thinning, shedding, and breaking weeks later. So, in today's video, I'm doing a protein treatment 1 week after relaxing my hair to rebuild the strength of the hair and prevent breakage and also support real hair growth. So relaxer make the hair straight, but they also weak the hair structure. After relaxing, your hair loses protein, and protein is what keeps your hair strong, retain its elasticity, and resistant to hair breakage. So if you've ever noticed more shedding, thinning ends, or weak relaxed hair after a relaxer, it's usually because the hair needs protein treatment. Okay, a protein treatment helps to rebuild and strengthen the hair shaft by filling in weak areas that is caused by the chemical processing, that is the relaxer. So it restores the hair structure, improves elasticity, and makes your hair more resistant to breakage and split end. Protein treatments are especially important after relaxing because your hair has gone through a chemical process that breaks down its natural protein bond. So it's very important that you do a protein treatment. And these steps helps you to prevent long-term damage and support healthy hair growth by protecting the length you already have. So I'm applying the protein treatment as seen in the video, section by section, focusing on the ends because the ends are also the weakest part and the oldest part of the hair. Remember, so you don't want to overload your hair with protein, but after relaxing, this step is necessary to restore strength and balance. So make sure you follow the instruction and not leave it on longer than recommended to avoid protein overload. Yeah, it's important that you follow the instructions that comes with the treatment, that's the particular product you are using. And let me share some benefits of doing protein treatment after relaxing your hair. First, it helps you to strengthen the weak hair strands and prevent breakage. And then it also improves the hair elasticity so that your hair doesn't snap easily. And then it also helps you to retain the length of your hair by protecting your ends. And it helps to prepare your hair for proper moisture retention, which is essential for healthy, relaxed hair. Okay, so you can see already the video is detailed of me applying the product section by section to the ends as well. Okay, if you've gotten to this part of the video, please do well to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment down below if you usually do your protein treatment a week after relaxer or you do it on relaxer day. Sometimes I do it on relaxer day and sometimes I do it a week after relaxer, and then there are sometimes I also do it before relaxing. So it all depends. Just make sure that you study your hair, observe your hair, and do what works best for you. Okay, after doing this whole process, it makes the hair feel stronger after protein treatment. So this step is very essential for maintaining healthy, relaxed hair and preventing unnecessary breakage. Okay. So guys, in my next video, I will be showing my full moisturizing routine after protein treatment and also doing a length check so you can see my hair growth progress after relaxing. So moisture is just as important as protein treatment, and combining both is the secret to healthy, growing, relaxed hair. So if you're on a healthy growth journey, make sure you subscribe. Okay, don't miss the next video, and also leave it in the comment section. Comment protein if you include protein treatment in your relaxed hair routine, or comment starting if you are beginning your healthy hair journey, because I discovered that a lot of people, they don't do protein treatments. Even the recent group chat that I opened for my 3 months hair growth challenge, we are in the first week already, and part of the introduction template includes the challenges, the routine you'll be doing, and majority of them did not include protein treatment. So I feel like people still need more awareness, more information about this protein treatment. You'll be surprised that despite the fact that there are so many videos out there talking about protein treatment, there are still some people that don't do protein treatment regularly. So it's always important to be giving reminder videos like this. And it's also good for those that joined the group already. They'll be getting a lot of healthy tips, and hopefully by God's grace it improves their hair growth journey. Okay, so yeah, this is the final process, and I'm going to use my steaming cap for depending on the this particular one. I can't remember the minutes, but yeah, I had to stay on the steamer for like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video. But then before I go, after the whole protein and all, during all my wash day, I always deep condition. So after this whole process, I deep condition the hair. So see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any question for me, do well to leave it in the comment section. And if you want to join the group chat for the hair growth challenge, it is still open. You can still join. It's not too late to join. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. You can enjoy the food with me. Come and join me. In the next 10 minutes now, this is the deep conditioner. You guys, look at the new deep conditioner. It is gone. Run away from long hair. Let's see you guys.